Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. So as you guys can see, we have another unboxing. So super excited about this unboxing. Anyway, if you guys are not already subscribed, what are you waiting on? Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Come join this family. We have so much fun here. We talk about everything that's bag related, from contemporary all the way to luxury. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the continuing support. And let's get into this unboxing. All right, guys. So as I stated, we have another unboxing. I'm going to open without even any suspense. I'm going to open this right now. Okay. And if you guys already know me and you've been around my channel, you probably know where I picked this item from. Okay, and then let's move this box down. Okay, guys, so I'm not sure if you see what's picking out, but anyway, so I did pick up this item from Bagriculture, my favorite place. Let me just line this down so you guys can see it. So I did pick this item up from Bagriculture, and you guys know I shop Bagriculture, Rebag, and Fashion File. Those are my three places to get, whether it's new, pre-love, it doesn't matter. I love saving money as well, so you guys know that. But anyway, so I am super excited about this item here. This is another wish list item that I'm so excited to have actually crossed out of my 2023 wish list. I'm really trying to stick to my wish list. Like I told you guys in that video, I really don't stick towards wish list, but I'm trying to be very conscious and stick to that wish list. So yeah, so far it looked like most of the bags that I've purchased are kind of in that wish list realm, and I think it also make you more not just buying just to buy, and so because of that, I've been buying what's on my wish list, and especially if I see it at a great price, I try to pick it up so that I'm able to cross it off. But let me stop all this talking. Let's open this, and also pause the video and guess. See if you guys know what's in this item. You probably might know if you watch that video, but in that video, I said that I wasn't going to get this color, and this is the color I end up getting. So anyway, without any further ado and without any suspense, let's get into the unboxing. I think you guys probably will know what this is, just picking out. Okay. Okay. That's it. Okay. So my bag lovers out there, you guys will definitely know what this bag is. Let me just get all this wrapping out the way. Guys, yes, I picked up my Fendi first bag. So this is the Fendi first, and this is in the size medium. This bag is so beautiful. So this is how you open it up, and on the inside it got the Fendi. This guys, it got the Fendi logo on the inside. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Let me take this off. Okay, so you got this right here. Oh my God. And then, as you guys can see, it's all black and it's in very good condition. So like I told you guys, I did pick this up from Agriculture, and my main thing was just the leather part of things, because this bag, one thing is that, so you do see like a little bit of a, let me show you. So you see like a little bit of a rubbing right here, but that's really not that bad. And let me show you right here. See the edges right here and the edges right here. So this one actually is in the size medium. So this is the bigger size. I do wish, honestly, this bag is so beautiful. I really wish that Fendi would have put feet on the bottom, so that it wouldn't really be sitting on the leather itself. But this bag is so beautiful. It did not come with the strap, but I got it for such a great deal that I really didn't care if it came with the strap or not. My plan is actually, even if it did come, if even if it had came with the strap, I wanted to get the Fendi strap that has the FF on there. This bag comes with like a skinnier black strap, so I really didn't care about that. But I did get the medium. So this is the no, this is the yeah, the size medium. So they have a medium, they have a small, and they just came out with the midi size, which is between the medium and the small, because a lot of people, some people don't like the medium size because this is basically their large size. Okay, so this is the size medium right here. And as you guys see it, I think what drew me to this bag is just this F right here. It is so unique, guys. Look at this. Look at it. Let's just give it appreciation just for some quick seconds. So look at this. Alrighty. Look at it. The bottom. The other side. The logo. Okay. So this is the way you will usually do with the F. So this is what it looked like, the whole thing. And then, like I stated, you will press this button right here to open it up like this. And the inside looks so good, guys. Look, the inside is so structured. Like the honestly, I wish you guys could feel it. The leather is so soft. It just feels so good on him. But the inside, look at the inside, guys. It feel look at it's so beautiful. And then this is how you would do it right here to put the straps. And then it's like a counterclockwise. Uh, Sorry, guys, I don't want to break it. So this is how you would do it, and then you will put the strap on the outside. Okay, if you don't want to, if you don't want to use the strap, you now take it. This is like so sensitive, and I think, and then you're supposed to like have it clockwise again. This way. Sorry, I don't want to break the handle. So you do this on this opposite end, and then you do this on this opposite end. Let's see. Oh, hold on. Okay, the mechanic is acting because it's supposed to be that easy. So let's see. Hopefully there's nothing. Oh, sorry. So you do that, and that's how you will put it on the inside like that, and then you will close it. One thing I love about this bag, and I love the way that they did the structure, honestly speaking, because a lot of times is that um it basically give it to you where if you want to hold it as a clutch, it becomes a clutch. Okay, if you want to hold it as the crossbody like I just showed you guys right here, then you would just do this. And I love the fact that this is hidden, because they could have made a thing and not hid this, but I love the fact that this is hidden. I just feel like it's so beautiful. Like, and then it's like counterclockwise when you're closing it. See, so it goes over like that. And look at the inside with the F, like just the gold area right here. It is so beautiful. And then it has the Fendi right here on this end. Oh, let me take this off. Like, I'll probably just cut that off. It's like a little string. But look at this. And then you have the inside with the Fendi canvas, which, and this thing has a big space. Like, I was thinking it was going to be small, but the medium size is huge, guys. Like, just holding in one hand and nothing is in it. It does have a little weight to it, though. I can't even lie to you. But oh my God, guys, look at this bag. Look at this bag. I cannot wait to put the Fendi strap on it. So I am going to buy the Fendi strap. I'm kind of deciding if I want to buy it brand new in the Fendi store or actually get it from like Fashion File or something. I just saw one that came up, and I'm trying to see if it goes down a little bit more before I pick it up. But then that's where I will attach the strap in order for me to hold it, shoulder strap. I mean shoulder, or like I don't know if I want it too long for me to do crossbody, but I'm gonna see, because I usually like either shoulder or crossbody. So this bag, guys, I just wanted to show you guys this beauty right here. So again, this is another wish list item that I have actually crossed out of my 2023 wish list bag. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Look at this, guys. One more time. Let's turn it around. I just love this accent. This this is what drew me to the bag. You guys know I love bags that are different, and this is just so different. Just the upside down of the F for the Fendi. Oh my god, this is so different. You can see like little scratches on the bag, like right here, but it's like faint scratches. And with the leather, like I told you guys, the leather feels so good on the hand. You will kind of expect that because it's not a grainy leather, it's a smooth leather, so you should expect that kind of thing. But this is it right here. This is the Fendi first in the medium size in the color black. Yes, guys, so this is it right here again in the bottom. All right, guys, so this was the video for today, unboxing another wish list item. I'm so happy this is off my list. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.